Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can get a Spotify Premium. So I'm using Spotify for PC, and with the Spotify Premium you'll enjoy full on-demand access to massive music catalog with none of the restriction, no limits, no ads, no hassle, just music. So just click upgrade at the top, or you can select your profile and select upgrade to premium, and you are being directed to spotify.com/premium, and just scroll down and you can find the option here. There are individual, duo, family, or student. So which one you like here, select this one you need. For instance, just click get started, and then select the payment method you like, for credit or debit card, or you can select PayPal. If you select credit or debit card, you have to input your card number, expiry date, and security card, and just click buy now here. And your Spotify will upgrade it to premium. Yeah, just use the premium service. So that I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.